Good day on Wall Street today. Today is Friday, the 27th of May 2022, and today the stock price of Exela Technologies went up 2.37% during regular trading hours, closing the regular trading session at 22 cents, and since then it has gone up a further 0.18% in the after hours and trading at 22 cents 22.04 cents. I don't know how to put that in context. Let's say 0.2204 cents. So that sounds much better. But basically 22 cents and up a further 0.18% in the after hours. Now, if you look at the top of your screen, you can see that the S&P 500 is up 2.47%, Dow 30 is up 1.76%, Nasdaq is up 3.33%, Russell 2000 is up 2.62%, and even crude oil is up today by a lot. It's up 0.89% and trading at $115.11 a barrel. So a very good day for Exela Technologies. Most of the other stocks, they had very subdued volume, but Exela Technologies today has quite a healthy volume at 22 million shares that exchange hands, compared to an average volume of 33 million shares that would typically exchange hands. Market capitalization is now at $99 million, and the stock opened today at 22 cents, and it went as high as it stayed within the 22-cent range, but it almost got to 23 cents. So not much variation in the stock price for today. However, those who invested over the past 48 hours, I think they might have come out with something. If you look at Wednesday and Thursday, I think the stock is trading a little bit higher today, or almost where it was, but there were some opportunities to get in at a rather low cost at about 21 cents. So that is where we are sitting with Exela Technologies. Now, if you missed a few days of PR from Exela Technologies, the thing that changed is that they have a new technology officer. So there's a new technology officer reporting directly to the CEO of the company. So a very, very top and high-ranking team leader who has been brought into the company. And of course, you guys know Exela is a technology company. They use their tech to facilitate transactions between businesses and individuals and businesses, and they have a global footprint, and which means that the kind of leadership that they need is not one that's tailored to a specific market, but one more attuned to a global market, so that one day they could be doing deals out in England, the next day they're doing deals in Austria, the third day they're doing deals down in Irving, Texas. That is the kind of leadership that the company needs, and I'm not saying that the outgoing chief technology officer was lacking in his duty. It's just that the marketplace has changed, and there are challenges. People are having a hard time getting liquidity. The Feds are tightening up the availability of cash. So for the month of June and the month of July, they will be hiking up interest rates by 0.5 percentage point for each of those months respectively. So we can expect to see some of the ripple effects, affecting the general economic landscape, not just in the United States but globally. So many people now are selling stocks and getting into cash heavy positions, but then again, when we start getting out of this slowdown, it might be a very difficult thing to predict. So what I'm saying is, look at the companies that you think you like, do your due diligence, see if the kind of work they do is what you would support, and then also look at the cost of the stock compared with the historic cost of the stock, like Exela Technologies. If you look at the 52-week range, you would see that it went from 21 cents all the way up to $5.45. So we are at the very, very bottom of the 52-week range, and you see that there's a lot of headroom. I mean, there's so much headroom, so much potential in case you get into this stock at this price level and then the stock takes off. So on fundamental business, I think it is solid. They are still making deals, as has been proven to us when they did the recent deal in Austria, and this is in a very difficult economic time. And so I think the company still has potential, and with the new chief technology officer, we will see what direction the CEO and the board members want to take the company. And again, I say I think this is a very, very good entry position. Even if the stock drops some more, which I don't know, it's very difficult to predict the future, but I think what the company brings to the market at 22 cents, I don't think you can go wrong. So that's just my take on Exela Technologies. Of course, if you want to put your hard-earned money into any company, please take a few minutes, do your due diligence, and if you still have doubts, then you might want to consult with a professional, a finance professional who can help you, guide you, and make sure your portfolio attains the goals that you set for yourself. Thanks for your time. Thanks for those who just recently subscribed to the channel. I see the needle moving upwards, and also big thanks to the long-term subscribers to the channel. I will catch you guys on the next one. Have a good start to the weekend. Bye now.